Good morning, you guys. It's currently 9, but I have been up since 7:30, so that's a huge plus. I just finished editing yesterday's vlog, and I made a coffee and got all comfy. I just need to make a thumbnail and then write down my grocery list like on paper, and then I just need to get ready to go out. But yeah. So it's like 10:30 and I'm finally leaving. And I feel so bad leaving the babies. This girl's like, I want to come with you. And it's like, I can't take you to Sam's Club and you won't be happy, and your brother will be home alone and he won't be happy. Cats. They're fucking like kids. But I think I'm gonna go to Barnes & Noble first. I'm debating if I feel like going to the mall. Like, I have like a nice coupon to use, but at the same time, that's just going places, doing things. Like, I'm going grocery shopping. Is that not enough? Yeah, I gotta look for a planner and a calendar. So I know Barnes & Noble usually has good planners. I don't know about calendars though, actually. That ended up being a huge fail. They only had like some, and they were all like the 22, 23 ones. And it's like, I can't use half of it now. Like, they were half off to make up for that, but also I wanted one that started in January. Maybe I'll fit in, maybe I won't. But yeah. I am starting to come to the conclusion that I am indeed pretty darn hungry. So I think we're going to the mall, stop in Vicky's, see if they have anything that I want to use my card on. I have until like the end of the month to use it, so I'm not too worried about it. But I also just want like new sweatpants. So yeah. But yeah, that's the unfortunate update of they had no fucking planners. Like, I'm pretty sure last year I got it in January. Almost certain I did, but maybe I didn't. I don't know. I have to look at it because I used it for like 3 months and then stopped using it. So yeah, but I'm gonna stop rambling and go get something to eat because I'm really hungry. So just got back from grocery shopping. Got a good bin. This is like only a little over $100 in the end. So let's just go through everything I got. We got 2 big things of mozzarella because we went through this really fast, and it was the same price. Get a 2-pack at Sam's as a 1-pack. Got some green bananas because I already have a bunch of bananas. Some spring mix for my favorite salad. We got some turkey bacon, chicken breasts. They were on sale, so we're gonna freeze these up. I got an apple for my salad because that should only get me like 2 salads out of it. Got a red onion. Got a rotisserie chicken for more chicken stuff. Sourdough bread. We got more minute rice. Got the big box from Sam's Club. Fettuccine noodles, spinach. We got turkey pepperoni. What kind is this? Whole wheat. English muffins. We got ginger because I want to try it. Garlic, a block of Parmesan. Got these flat wraps. These are the best things ever. I swear by these. Then we got some carb balance and flour tortillas in burrito size because these don't come in burrito size. Got some plain Greek yogurt. This one has a lot of protein. Raspberries were, well, not raspberries. Strawberries were BOGO free, so got 2 things of raspberries and got a big thing of raspberries. These were like $5, I think, so not bad. Got some salsa verde, rosemary, basil, cucumber, this hot cocoa ice cream. Got some green chilies, got some tomato basil sauce, got this sun-dried tomato pesto, which is so good on these flatbreads, like making like a little pizza on it. Oh, it's so good. And then we got green onions, carrots, celery, and kale. So all in all, we got a good amount of stuff, like a lot of stuff. So I'm going to prep and put the stuff away, and I will see you guys in a bit. So I knocked a lot of my to-do list out, but Kyle did text me with some more stuff he wanted that I forgot to get him, like lunch meat and stuff, because I was going to do that anyway, and then he wants subs, so I have to go get stuff for that. I need to put the rotisserie chicken in the fridge. I read somewhere that like you want like hot food to get room temperature before you put it in the fridge, otherwise like I could like make other things like gross. I don't know. Maybe I'm just gonna make us all sick. It's okay. Everything's fine. It's just gonna go on top of the raw chicken because I don't have space. And I'm so tired. Like I just want to take a nap. Like it's 5 o'clock. Going to go get that, come back. Feed the kitties their lunch. They were supposed to get like an hour ago, but I also did not mean to end up on TikTok for as long as I did. So yeah, but I am so tired. I know like if I went and worked out, I'd wake up, but I also just really want to take a nap because like I don't have to work today, so I might just nap when I get home. You know, like a nice little 30-ish minute nap. Sounds good to me. I want something sweet, so we're getting something sweet from a bakery and then going to the grocery store, because like I don't want like a whole pack of them. Like I literally just like want like one isolated sweet, like whether that's like a macaroon or what. But yeah, let's go get something and test it out. So I got like this Mexican hot chocolate cookie and it just looked really good, sounded interesting. It looks so good. I think I'm only gonna eat half of it. I like that. The spice is really subtle, but it's there. It's definitely like kind of a weird consistency, so I'm not sure if I'll get it again. But I mean, cool concept. Other cookies of theirs is like, it's like weird. It's like a biscuit kind of almost. Like it's like really like crisp and stuff. So I don't know if I just don't like it as like a chocolate cookie, but I don't know, pretty good cookie. Maybe this will wake me up. I'm so tired. I should have gotten a coffee. Get down. Lighting's really shitty, but I just napped for like 3 hours and now it's 9:40. So I'm headed to the gym. I'm only like 5,000 steps away from my goal, so I won't have to be there as long. And then I'm probably gonna do like the massage chair again and just meditate during those 15 minutes. Because that just makes it easy for me until like I kind of get used to it and being in the routine of doing that. So yeah, gonna stop with this really shitty lighting and let's finish this little goal for the day. I'm home. My tummy hurts, so I did not get a massage. I know better than to eat and work out because it just does not agree with my body, but my tummy hurts. Can't wait for some tea and doing some laundry and lots of boring stuff. And I still need to take a shower. I'm just gonna put off oiling my hair, I guess. But yeah, that's where we're at. I'm really excited for tea to maybe help my tummy.